Share a YouTube video on your Instagram story using your phone. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Find and open the video you want to share on Instagram story. Below the video, tap the share button. A sharing menu will appear. Select Copy Link to copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Next, take a screenshot of the video thumbnail or any frame from the video. Now open the Instagram app on your device. Swipe right from the home screen to open the story camera. Swipe up to access your photos. Select the screenshot you just captured. Now you can resize it or position it however you like. Tap the sticker icon in the top right corner. Then select Link from the list. Now, paste the URL you copied earlier from YouTube. Instagram will create a clickable link sticker for your story. You can drag it around and place it wherever it looks best. Once everything is ready, tap your story at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your Instagram story is now live with a clickable link that takes viewers directly to the YouTube video.